Your hot and cold drinks are completed now. Okay. You check all now.
I'll check the tea.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Almost half na, ha?
Pwede na rin.
Oh, di ba?
Ha? Tingnan mo nga, be. Okay lang yan, be.
Yeah, check this all.
Huh?
This one for
1
you.
hour.
Gava red tea.
Or cold drinks.
Yeah, you have 2 cold drinks.
Nalagyan. Ate, iwangan pang hot? Yan ang hot namin. Ito na yun.
Kasama.
Ang
This is
cappuccino
too pretty.
namin.
Cappuccino, yan na.
Ito na din.
Oo.
Yan, ito.
Oh, pwede na yan. Kasi traditional.
Red tea also.
Arete. Yan na.
Ito na lahat.
Yan na. Kailangan mo dagdagan? Bigyan kita. Ha?
Wala ko lang, ano, pang ano lang ito. Tea, pang ano.
Pwede dagdagan kung gusto mo.
Okay lang. Ano yun?
Traditional kasi ang theme. National. National Day.
Kaya,
Oh. Yan ang ano niya. O, dagdagan natin. Baka gusto mo.
gawin mo lang kami ng isa pang ganito. Kasi biglang ano.
Pero iba nang gi-separate siya. Oh, ito. Bigyan.
Oh, my slot.
Ah, ito. Ah. Dagdag.
Only 15 there.
Yes, nga, 15. But, don't worry.
Baka mamaya may ano.
Ha?
Maybe later na to. Yes. Oh, there's she mom. For her mom.
This one is full na.
Yeah, no, I'm taking photo.
Good.
No, mom.
Anji know all.
Sino? That's why.
Later they will say.
You know, dog is too much big, too much cute.
You don't like
Ah.
dog. Arab.
Marunong yan
And I also see your friend.
Hello? 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 Yes? Yeah. Ano? Ha? Anong wall? May Algan, mayroon, ano na yun, isa na yun, be. Yung traditional kasi yung ano eh. Yung ano ninyo, hot dress. Isa na yan. Oo.
Look at this.
Kaya ang ano mo, yung ipag-
Ah, broken. Oh my God. Okay, no problem. You make picture.
Yung sa may kulay, oo.
Malu.
Oo. Oo. Ha? Ay, kulay.
Kulay.
Kulay? Di ba may kulay kayo yung baso na may green? Kulay. Pula? O, yan. Doon mo ilagay. Oo. Bulaklakin, okay na yan kasi silver, ano naman yan eh. Kasya yun, kasya. Di ano pa na yun. Kasya yan. Sige, bye-bye. Sige, bye-bye.
Gano'n na rin yung saucer namin sa ano.
Yan.
Okay.
Wala. Season yan. Magasing.
Hugo.
You're ready.
Okay.
Yan, asing na. Kihang na kami.
What time is that? 4 a.m.?
Noreen?
May event.
No, Noreen come.
Nora is coming with
Kami.
me.
Coming because now she go.
Sabi ko, hindi pa natapos ang alak namin. Nilapitan namin ako sa
4
lalaki.
a.m. After nag-bar pa kaya?
Oo. May nag-libre nga, be. Nag-libre ako. Negosyante siya. Sabi ko, oh my God. Ko.
Bebenta mo pa yung sarili mo?
Nabintay ko siya. Kinandin. Ganun ko talaga si Jen. Sabi ko,
She is very
Para
happy.
saan namin to?
ano yan, yung pang...
Mallu, give this other one. Now, what is this?
No, dahil for ano that one. Because you know, Thomas Ryan.
You see, dirty.
4 pieces yan, babe. Pang-pull out yan, ha?
Clearance.
Oh, clearance. Because you know, the clients, they don't like this one. Thomas encountered that one. Diba, pang-panghugas, pang-taon. Okay? So, ay. Alam mo, sabi ko ni Sai.
Anji, you make their video
Sabi pa
and
ni
send
Sai.
me.
Yeah, yeah. I'll,
Sabi ni Sai.
This
kaya-
you decorate na there in hall, batting hall,
I'll send you.
and you send me please.
Si Sai naman, kung ano sabi man to niyan, sige ate, wala patulan mo, bahala kayo. Sige, manlapit.
Ano lahat?
India, negosyante, MMM. Mataba lang. Binabitan. Alam mo, bibig ko. Bago yan.
You don't want to refill this, Nahir? What happened now? Look, all crack.
New that one.
Yeah.
New.
No, this is not new.
It's not new, but
Wow.
no refill. We don't want to refill.
Okay, you come back, then I will put separate and I will make refill.
Huwag mo lang yan. Okay na. Huwag yun. Ay, maliit lang. Wala kaya.
She said,
No.
set aside, no need to break.
No, bring it. It says listen.
It's okay.
It's okay because
Additional display.
yeah,
Addition.
because only for decoration.
Saan yun ang apat? Dito.
Ayun, kasi ito.
He no, he used there only 2, 3.
Yeah, I'm counting while...
Ito, bibi ko, lagyan mo dito yung apat.
Which one?
Siya. Pero simple lang decoration nila eh. Itong gayahan eh. Sabi yun. Ikaw nang bahala. Alam ko lang. Umuwi na talaga kami kasi sige pag tabi-tabi sa
Anji, you buy this trouser also from Philippines?
Men.
This trouser.
Here.
Oh.
Huh?
Here.
Here?
Mm.
Where? I search it too much
That's too much.
because I like it.
85 rental.
Huh?
85 dirham.
No problem 85, but
I
I
don't know when. Where? Now.
yeah. If you remember, you send me.
Yeah, okay.
I will buy from there.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Hey, what happened to my camera? Wait.
Okay. Long time you open this, no?
Yeah.
Sino ba yung pangalan to? Si yung ano ni Nanay Marbel ay sino mo yung isang babae na yan?
Oh.
Yung dati dito?
Silin?
Oh, hala, si Lynn, grabe yun.
Kasama niyo din?
Mio.